a passenger ride on board 158774, working the 1615 Skegness to Nottingham. The head code is 2 Oscar 22, and this journey is from Bingham to Radcliffe. Hope you enjoy.
Welcome on board this East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Our next station is Radcliffe. Approaching Radcliffe.
Thank you for watching these passenger rides on board 158774. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe on the video, and I'll see you down the line for another passenger ride very soon. Thanks for watching.